you will work with extremely smart people. Not because I'm one of them, so you can cut that out.
Take one.
Hi, I'm Carolina. I'm a principal at BCG Platinion. And my core area of expertise is Agile at scale transformation. So everything related to people, practices, and how to redesign the organization to better accomplish our objectives. I went to college and I had my IT degree, like I was into computer science. While I was in college, I realized that I didn't really like to code that much. I was more into, processes and how tech can solve business needs or user needs. I felt kind of in love with that part of tech. I think like the variety of clients, variety of culture that we work with, it's pretty amazing. That's one of the reasons that I joined BCG. I feel like the people I work with are actually my friends. They really motivate me to do the best, right? Because they're really great. So I want to make sure that I am the same level. I think with the clients, we also create the same bonds and the same connections. I have worked with clients that I keep reaching out, after 5 years that I actually executed a project with them. You keep that bond and it's something very us. It's part of our culture. We touch many aspects on transformation, right? From the strategic part, tech enablers, but KPIs. Sometimes we even redesign the organizations. But for me, the most important part, it's people. I think for me, it's the more rewarding part. I would say this about BCG Platinion, you never get bored. I worked in a marketing Gen AI project, for example, which was very different from what I normally do. Or sometimes we even redesign an app from scratch, right? And we did that for an airline company. It was pretty interesting. It's a great opportunity if you're looking for a challenge and get exposure to really relevant clients. You will never get the chance to talk to CEOs so soon in your career. During my first year, I think I learned way more than what I learned in my past 9 years in previous experiences. What drives me to work every single day is to see the impact on what we're doing on the people. Seeing that impact on the end is really valuable for me.